What separates a beginner animation from a pro one, and why your animation just don't have that neutral movement and polished flow. The secret is how you interpolate the keyframes. You must know the crucial differences between Linear and Bezier keyframe. To start, let me quickly create two keyframes for the position property of this layer. As you can see, two keyframes in diamond shapes were created for me. Diamond-shaped keyframes represent linear animation. This means that movement between keyframes occurs at a constant speed and there is no acceleration or deceleration. Now, let me make a copy of that layer so I can change its keyframes. I will select the keyframes of the new layer, then right-click on one of them and choose Easy Ease from the Keyframe Assistant menu. I could also use shortcut key F9. You can see that the keyframes have changed shape and become like an hourglass. You will notice that the speed of animation has also changed. The animation starts slowly and then speeds up, and after that slows down again as it approaches to the next keyframe. To explain better, let me go to the graph editor and select the speed graph. I select the layer whose keyframes are Easy Ease and click on the position property to show its speed graph. It starts slow and then accelerates and finally slows down again. In fact, it uses Bezier interpolation, so it creates more organic and neutral feel. If we look at the first animation speed graph, which was linear, we see that it's perfectly a straight horizontal line. If you go to the Keyframe Assistant menu, you will see that there are other options, such as Easy Ease In or Easy Ease Out. You can select them or use keyboard shortcut Shift F9 to Easy Ease In, and also Command Shift F9 on Mac or Ctrl Shift F9 on Windows for Easy Ease Out. Their difference is clearly visible. You will see that each has its own keyframe icon. If you apply easing to keyframe and then want to remove it, simply hold down Ctrl key and click on the keyframe once or sometimes twice to return it to the linear mode, and its icon will be changed to a diamond shape.